and welcome to the channel. Today I am going to present the CI/CD deployment. Mostly the CD part I will cover by using the Argo CD, and we'll do it. We'll use the Kargo also to automate the image deployment and promote the images on the basis of the environment to the particular cluster. So first of all, you can see this image. So what will happen, this will be the flow to while deploying the application on a particular cluster. We are having 3 clusters right now. So first one is the test cluster, where Argo CD is present, and another one cluster is the UAT cluster, and a third one is the prod cluster. I will create the 2 cluster by using the K3D, and one is by using the Kind. Okay, so test cluster will be created using the Kind, and second UAT and prod cluster are created using the K3D, and we'll add those cluster into the Argo CD. So the flow will be like Argo CD will deploy the application to the particular cluster on the basis of the Git repository that we will configure. And what we will do, I will add the Kargo to monitor the images, get the latest images, its tag, and will promote the images on the basis of tag to the particular environment cluster. So let's go. I'm following this quick start guide of Kargo, and I will create the cluster by using the Kind. It will install all the stuff like whatever will be required for installing Kargo and for this demo purpose. So the prerequisite will be, it will add a Cert manager which is required for Kargo. Another it will add Argo CD, and it will add Kargo also. So I will share all those steps and things on YouTube. Okay, so what we will do, these are the steps, and the prerequisite, like we need a Kind to be installed first, and K3D also, and Argo CD and Kargo CLI, both of the CLI need to be present on your machine. So let's go. I have already created the Kind cluster, so the step will be like just copy this step from this quick start guide and execute as it is. It will create the Kind cluster, and it will install the Cert manager. Next it will add the Argo CD, you can see that, and it will add the Kargo also. Okay, then fine, we'll check all the parts are running or not. So you can see that in Argo CD namespace, Argo CD is running. In Cert manager deployments are running. Inside the Kargo is running properly. Now let's get access of the Argo CD. So Argo CD will run on 8443 port. So username will be admin, and password is also admin. Okay, so there is nothing present in the Argo CD. Similar will access the Kargo also. Kargo will be running on 8444 port. Okay, we'll access it. So yeah, it is throwing some error. Maybe it's due to cache. My browser has it. Okay, fine. The password will be admin. There is no any project. We will create step by step all those stuff. Okay. Okay, so next we are going to create the cluster using K3D. Okay, K3D cluster add, and the name of the cluster is UAT cluster. Okay, so it's not add, it's a create. Fine, it will create the UAT cluster. We'll wait till the time the cluster will be getting ready. You can see I have created a UAT cluster using this command. Cluster is ready, and another one cluster, prod cluster, that is also ready. So right now we are having 3 clusters. We can check that. kconfig get context. You can see 3 contexts are there, and I am currently on prod cluster. Okay, we'll check the pods that are running on prod. Yeah, so these are in container creating mode. We'll check for UAT. Instead of get context, we'll use context K3D UAT cluster. Okay, it will show that context is switched. Yeah, we'll check the pod status of UAT. Yeah, so the pods are running on a UAT cluster. Now I will take access of our test cluster, and we'll log in into the Argo CD, and we'll add the UAT cluster, and then we'll add the prod cluster. Okay, so the command to add this cluster, like we need to log in first. Argo CD login. You can check the command. Okay, fine. So the command will be login localhost :8443, then username will be admin, password is equal to admin. Yeah, so it is insecure, right? Yeah, we logged in successfully into the Argo. Now we'll add the cluster in the Argo. First of all, we'll add UAT cluster. Okay, this is the UAT cluster context name. Argo CD cluster add name of the cluster. Yes, I want to add it. It will create some cluster role binding, service account. Yeah, so it's added into the Argo CD. You can check that inside the setting. Go to the clusters. So this is the default cluster where Argo CD is running, and another one is the that UAT cluster. Okay, we'll add a prod cluster similarly. Yes, I want to add it. Yeah, it is also added. Refresh it. So prod cluster is also added. It's added successfully. Fine. Now we'll create the secret which is required for deployment. Okay, and we'll export this secret in our shell to get it used into the our application deployment files of okay. I need to add this URL into that our application file. I will go to, first of all, I have copied this prod URL, and I will add this URL here. Okay, is it a prod? Right. We'll add this second UAT URL. Okay, where is the UAT? Here. Yes. Now I will deploy this application in all cluster. Okay, apply -f. No, I need to go to that repo. Cargo demo new. Okay, apply -f apps. /cargo demo test. So test application is created. You can see here the test application is getting created. Yeah, it is in a syncing state. Similarly, we'll add the UAT. UAT is also added. You can see it is also in syncing state. We will add prod. Okay, prod is also added. So till now test and UAT are synced, and it will come status as a successful in time. Okay, prod is also going to be sync. Fine, we'll log into the cargo. Okay, to add the stages, you can see here we'll create the secret. Yeah, so secret is need to be created first. Okay, it will add to the cargo. We'll log into the cargo, then we'll create the secret. Okay, apply -f and secret. So secret is nothing but the git repository and its detail, like this is the password, this is my username, and this is the git repo URL. Okay, yeah, so secret has been created. You can see repository, right? Yeah, why it's a failed? Okay, it should be successful. Okay, but it's showing something different. But it contains actually cargo demo new. Yeah, so all thing is somehow my pad token has been expired, so I have generated new one, and now we can see that secret has been created successfully, and we are able to connect to the repository successfully. So all things are ready. Now we will create this cargo stages. Okay, so this is the step through which we can create the cargo stages. I have already logged in into the cargo. Now we'll create the stages. Fine. So 3 stages have been created, like cargo demo test, cargo demo UAT, cargo demo prod, and it is yeah, so I will refresh it. Fine. Cargo demo namespace has been created, and inside that we can see the image tag is like latest image it is pulling right now, but if you see the current manifest that is configured, it's having like just a minute, yeah, so it's having 005 image, latest image, and this image is present on my Docker Hub repository. So yeah, this is the image, and it is having latest tag of 005. This is the latest one, and I will add new tag and push it to this repository, and will promote this tag through the this cargo UI, and will check are all those images are getting applied on environment on the basis of environment. Yeah, and I will show you on each cluster the pods are running in a different namespace as per the application configuration. Okay, we'll see the current context right now. Get context, k config, get context. So currently I am on test cluster. We'll see there will be the cargo demo test namespace, and inside that there is one pod is running, right? And we'll check the image of this deployment. So 005 image is using. We'll similarly check for UAT cluster also. It is having cargo demo UAT, and the deployment is running. Similarly, we'll check for a prod. So you can see cargo demo prod is there, okay, and it's running currently. Now I will tag new image and push it to the Docker repository, so that it will be getting fetched by cargo, and will promote it as per our requirement to the particular environment. Okay, Docker images. So this is the image. Okay, Docker tag. I will tag it. I'm not going to do any changes, but I'm just doing new tag and push it on to the repository. Fine, so it will tag, and then I will push it to the Docker repository. Docker push. Fine, it is preparing to push, and you can verify that Docker latest image is pushed onto the repository. I will refresh it. Yes, we can see 006 image tag is pushed right now, a few seconds ago, and now it will be getting listed on the Kargo very soon. Wait a minute. Yeah, so it is listed here right now. Okay, so I will promote it firstly to the test environment. You have to click on this promote button, and after that you have to select the image, which image you need to apply it to the environment. I will say yes to apply the new image on a test cluster. So stage test has been promoted. Here is currently it's showing healthy. Very soon it will be showing that it is configuring new image. You can see over there. Yeah, so the new image has been applied on a test environment. Okay, just to refresh it, it will show. Yeah, so it's present on test only right now. We can check in the Argo. Recently it is applied on test. Okay, you can see that a few seconds ago, just right now, and the new branch, the existing branch, like it is a stage test, has been updated recently. Okay, you can check. Yeah, recently 1 minute ago, inside the stages, just right now. Okay, test customization. Yes, you can see the earliest image is 001, but the present image is 005, and the latest image is getting applied. And you can check the revised version of the deployment, like revised version 1 contains 005 image, you can see, and the revised version 2 contains 006 image. Yes, it is applied right now. You can check same on cluster. Currently I am on prod cluster. I will go to test cluster. Yeah, then yeah, so latest image is applied 2 minutes and 3 seconds ago. We'll check it. Cargo demo. This is the pod currently running. -o-yaml and grep image. So currently latest image is used in the test cluster is 006. Earlier it is 005, updated to 006. Similarly, we'll do the change for UAT. We'll promote the this 006 image to UAT. Okay, we'll promote, select the image. Yes, I want to apply this on UAT. Okay, it's getting applied right now. We'll check on Argo. Here is the UAT. Yeah, you can see that it is processing. How fast it is going updated. This is the revised version 1, this is the revised 2. You can check. 006 is the latest image that is applied on second UAT cluster. Okay, similarly I will promote it to the prod also. Select the image, apply it. Yes, okay, has been promoted. It is syncing. Okay, You can see, yeah, on prod also it is getting getting updated. This is the revised version 2, this is the revised version 1. 006 image is getting used. We can see on prod just now it is updated. You can see 31 seconds ago. We'll check the manifest. So latest image has been applied on a prod cluster. So all things are done. You can refer this as per your requirement and change as per your requirement. I will share the repository, my steps that I followed while deploying the application, updating the images, and you can refer it. Okay, fine. This is my repository. I will share it in the YouTube description. Okay, so guys, let's subscribe, share and like it, so that I will be work more to get the content like this for you. Thank you.